Okay, good morning guys. Welcome back to another YouTube video. We are now into the open, and let's see, we had that trap move away early New York from all-time highs. I really wanted to target all-time highs, to be honest, because after it goes, there is absolutely no entries. As far as ES, we do have a lot more room to work with. These lows are massive. I obviously want them gone before we look for buys. But NQ does look pretty strong for buys, I'm not gonna lie. Just because of how close we are to the target. It usually has some sort of sign that we're gonna be moving bullish, like something off this could have worked. I hope it maybe even works a little bit and then has that continued sell off. Nonetheless, nothing I can take off price action like this, so if it does end up running to the highs without us, that's part of the game. My biggest focus for today, and hopefully for you guys to understand, is that it's so easy to think I don't want to think about outcomes only. I don't want to focus on outcomes. I don't want to focus on the wins or the losses. But we do it automatically. Like, we're always worried about the loss and the win and all that. When if we just simply said, okay, we wait for something clean to show, which we know, like, it's pretty obvious when something clean comes up, and we say, I'm gonna only execute that. And I'm going to execute with the full size and not micromanage and just live in proper execution. And that's something we can all achieve and something that we can all attain. And I just think, like, the more you focus on that each and every day, the more you tell yourself every single morning, that's all we're going to prioritize today is proper and solid execution, then it's kind of inevitable that it's going to happen. Now let's let this run its course. Hopefully traps out the buys. If not, the day might be done for NQ. What did gold end up doing? These were my only hopes, I'm not gonna lie. Gold was not nice to me at all. Respected highs. We have lows here. Okay, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. This is good. Yeah, like, this is a liquidity block, right? Extreme inducement high to the left, liquidity block, build up, spike the build up, target lower. There we go. Let's go. We're alive, baby. We got shit to target today. Now, the thing is, not really anything I can trust in here. It hasn't broken lower yet, which is good for ES, but no entry. No entry at all. And this could just be that short-term short, but this is the trap move away. I know we've already had the model away, created some sort of liquidity block, but like, look at all this buildup. Let's let it run all the way lower. Oof, why is everything so slow? No model whatsoever, guys, unfortunately, on ES. Highs to target for ES, I forget. Yeah, we just have like a random high to the left here with a cheeky little liquidity block above it. Nothing really there, so I don't even know if it's worth drawing out. GC. Did not take that high. We're going to be super patient today, but when I see what I want to see, if I see something clean where direction's pretty obvious and a model could be made up of it, full risk. You guys are going to see full risk no matter what. That is my rule. I have to read my checklist that I've already written out loud. I have to do full risk. I think I said my thing already. Yeah, I did. And if I make a mistake, I'm done. I'm not entering. And if my entry is not at the actual level, no entry, no FOMO whatsoever. I don't care. It needs to be predetermined beforehand and seen in live time or set with a limit. Not, oh, it already happened, but it's gonna work. Too late. You gotta learn the lesson the hard way, that you need to be more aware. That's a lesson you need to learn. Like, if anything, NQ is actually decently clean. Kind of. But right at all-time highs, it's kind of this is kind of risky. It's not my type of entry either, by the way, but it's there. I would be surprised if some of the boys said that. That entry there. Excuse me. All right, now we have a liquidity block. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, gold's like super ugly right now for me. Huge sell-off yesterday. Took lows to the left, massive lows to the left, and then just took internal highs, building at the low right now. And now it looks like it's just gonna target this internal, which would be our only real targets. No. There's nothing on ES for me. Unfortunately, probably gotta see these lows go without us, unfortunately. And then it most likely will just tank through and take all of these. That'd be nice if it traps at the highs. Make sure yeah, we're good. And my allergies are kicking my ass. I could imagine some bullish price action now, to be honest, but again, let's wait. Wow, this is super slow and it's gonna really upset me, not gonna lie. In what world is that an entry? Not in my world. Not in my world at all. Not in my world at all. Right? Like, what's our liquidity block, bro? Really? Like, am I just trusting the high, period? Is that what we're doing now? We're not using valid liquidity blocks anymore. We're just using highs. Is that our model now? Is our model changed? How many days in a row am I going to see entries like this that just use the high? It's just not my style. Like, I need to see it be clean. Taking lows on NQ. It does not need to come lower right now. Could definitely just go bullish. There we go. I think it's gonna work. just like, what? I can't. I honestly, I can't do it. If it works, it's fine. Our liquidity block is literally liquidity. It's literally, look. Trapped away, induced sellers. This is now a target. End of story. Can't take it. Keep our life simple. Good work. Wow, this is really gonna piss me off, I'm not gonna lie. I'll just get rid of that. Well, it's now spiked on actual ES. Like, where's my liquidity block? It's already induced higher here, induced again, and now built. Get the fuck out of here. If it sells off here, it sells off here. Gold's take an internal high. Trading a bit. I feel like it will blast through soon. Or it could take the low. That could be the trap away, right? No, there was no model. That wasn't an entry either. That wasn't. I know it wasn't. I didn't take the high. If it took the high, the blue candle, and then, yeah. No entry there. No entry. It would have to come lower now. Sure, an LB. Sure. Let's pretend that that's trustworthy. Garbage. It's all garbage. It's gonna sell, and that's the only optimal trade to take. This is really testing patience, guys. This is good. This is really good. I didn't miss anything on gold. It literally just spiked the high, returned back, and took the lows here. That's not an entry. It needed to at least induce some sort of buyer on the M1, and then come and trap the low. And then I could have used this as a liquidity block. I'm okay with missing that. No entry. ES rejecting once again, NQ blasting higher. Let's see these highs go on ES, baby. Let's see it go. Let's see it go. If not, NQ just has that random move. No, like the second this high goes, this has to go. So the fact that it's just doing that, it's just garbage. I don't care about any of that. Yesterday's wick out was nuts. I cannot believe I got wicked out that hard yesterday. I'm not taking a chance on some squeeze price action that's not clear whatsoever. The only thing I could take is a buy below here, which I don't want to take. I'm not taking that. Just simply not. We have so much liquidity on both sides now. And the only model was here. Do slower. Look at that. It takes the low, comes to the extreme. This is a liquidity block. Nothing here is good at all. At all. I hope it longs without an entry. That's what I'm aiming for. Gold rush into the highs without us. Valid. No long here whatsoever. Pullback. That was the liquidity block. You just need a model here. Like watching price perfect like that is exactly. And hopefully this is doing the same. Okay, good. I'm gonna let this run. I'll be right back. my predictions, maybe all-time highs. Gold's definitely hit the high. Oh, we have rejected. No entry on anything right now, obviously. This is just pure manipulation. Pure manipulation. Pure manipulation. I love it. Finally, with me not being manipulated. I liked something I saw on oil, actually. Wow, lows are massive on oil. Potential sells on ES. Doesn't necessarily need. Brother, oh my goodness. Bro, what the fuck are you talking about? Oh yeah, maybe. What the fuck are indices doing right now? Absolutely nothing to take on gold yet. He has a point. It definitely can sell after the highs go. Definitely can. Okay. So this is good that we stayed out of all this garbage. Yeah, no shorts after lows went. Shorts are possible on ES, obviously here, like, right? But just, it's not pretty. Could actually work though. No real trap, like we didn't really induce any sellers. It's just been liquidity down, liquidity up, so it's not like an ideal entry. But structurally it makes sense. It's there, right? It's present. Oh, look at MES doing that devilish shit, bro. Taking the low without showing me. Oh my god. Isn't that shit crazy? Two different charts showing two different things. Absolutely ridiculous, not gonna lie. Let's let gold trap out even more. I don't like it, obviously. And we left the extreme. Bro. I'm not saying anything, but like, come on. That's a big difference. That's a very big difference. Look at that. The fact that we left the extreme, right? Okay, I can't click it. I'm gonna discount this and say this is not a good trade. If it can do something like, I don't even know. Take the high, take the low. Like, bro, what the fuck? Let's be simple with gold too. Trapped away, liquidity block. We have at least internal here, induced, trapped, sure, but no thanks. What else? So that would be your trade done. So just spike the high. Holy fuck, I literally noticed it like last second, bro. I know this is a short area as well, but there's no trap. It would be just a short term, and then I could enter on the... I'd be break even right now on this trade. So why would I risk money now? That's what I always have to ask myself. Every single time I want to FOMO into a trade, I would be break even. And this wasn't a short in my eyes because Like if we induce lower past this and then trap higher. Just let it print something clean. Excuse me. Like, this is crazy. Trapped. Induced here. Maybe if it did this. Maybe. And absolutely nothing here either. Love when indices just move without us, bro. Seriously. Go as low as it wants. See, this model worked, like I said, here to target here, and then you have this liquidity block. So sure, you could have said induce short entry, but I'm bullish on gold. I'm not bearish. I know we've taken highs to the left. Is that enough for us to say we're flipping direction now? Maybe, actually, yeah. Fair enough. Fair enough. Trap away from the target. Liquidity taken. Induced. Trapped. Liquidity block or liquidity block. Entry here. All the way down to here. Damn. Let's hope the short didn't already happen. Model on gold like almost every single day. It's crazy. I'm bullish because of a stupid high to the left and on the wrong side. Trying to look for a long here when I wasn't even considering shorts because of this. Just didn't take enough liquidity. So I'm thinking, okay, trap away, had the trap, wait for a model. But it's the exact opposite. We had the trap away, cleared it, and then we have the model. I don't even love it, but like induced, trapped. Damn, bro. Yeah, structurally speaking, the low's gotta go, man. Like, looking for buys above here makes no sense. Should have flipped short right away, bro. Like, highs taken, moved into the area, trapped away, took a high model. It's so clear, always in hindsight. Like even I was literally trying to FOMO into a long after the short had occurred. So my bias was so wrong only after confirmation, after it went lower. I'm like, oh, look at me, I'm wrong. It's crazy, man. And oil with a short there. Well, get fucked. Don't tell me it does this now. Like, I can't take it. It's taking the high to the left, so it's against structure. But like, really? Oh my god, indices are so bad lately. Oh man. Alright, it's already 10:07. I mean, kind of not really. No. Oh man. Gold, gold, gold. I'm disappointed in myself on this one, guys. I'm really disappointed in myself. Very disappointed in myself. I'm going silent because I'm getting a little, not frustrated, but just... Ah, man. That's so unfortunate, man. Very unfortunate for myself. Pullback's giving hope, but we know gold. It just pullbacks and goes once the move's already done. NQ's done. ES is about to be done. There's ES. Done. Like, in a sense, we still could go short on NQ, right? Which is fine. So I'll be pretty patient for that. But yeah, look, exactly. That little false pullback and then just go.